Life disrupted across central and eastern US as a severe winter storm hits with heavy snow and extreme cold claiming at least 38 lives. At least 14 states have reported significant damage from the storm. The United States has been fighting with this severe winter disaster for several days. Roads, homes and open fields are covered in snow and ice. As the storm, which began last Friday, continues to affect many areas, although the storm's intensity has slightly eased since morning. Extreme cold persists. Meteorologists warn that these frigid conditions are likely to continue for several more days.